All right, good evening, everyone. How was your weekend? And happy new week. Okay, right now I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can access your mobile MT4. So when you download your mobile MT4 app, you install it. Actually, what I'm using on the system here is called emulator. So when you download your mobile app MT4 in your system, the first thing you got to do is just install it. After installation, then open the app and allow it to load. So on loading, it's going to show you something like this after loading. So it asks you to open a demo account or log into an existing account. So if you have created an account with any broker you are using, for example, I used HOTFOREX and I gave a video about how you can create an account on HOTFOREX and verify your account. You click this login detail and log in. So as soon as you install your app, it's going to show up like this without this chart. You are not going to see this chart at all. Hope you got me. You are not going to see this chart at all. So the first thing you need to do is just to click this image here that looks like a passport image or human being image. Click on it. Click this plus sign on top of the bar, then click login. So when you click login, they ask you to search for a broker. Which broker? Search for a broker. So it all depends on the broker you registered with. So if you registered on HOTFOREX, they're going to give you a server. They're going to send you a login detail with the server detail. So if you register on any broker, HOTFOREX, Forex Time, FBS, and many of them around, they're going to send you a detail to your email and the server if you want to trade on MT4 and the server detail. So you copy the server detail. When you copy server detail, you come here and place the server detail. So as I showed you guys in my first video about creating an account with HOTFOREX, they will send you a server ID number, password, investor password, server detail. So copy the server detail, come here and place it. It's gonna run a search on the server and bring out the server you placed in. So next thing, just to click and choose the server, then you now put your ID and password and click sign in. So I've already done that here, and I'm already signed in here. Okay, now this is normal demo account, which you see I've already signed in. Now since I've signed in, now the four or five basic currency that Forex World do trade will populate here. I just added this one, just populate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like it's either 6 or 5. Sorry, so it's gonna populate here, and this chart is gonna show up as soon as you log in. Then you see your balance on your demo account. If you use a demo account, or if you use a live account, you see your balance here. Now what next do you do? Since I've shown you guys how to log in, the second icon here by the left hand side is price chart. It's called currency pairs, the base and quotes, then the bid and ask price, then low and high, just the bid and ask and low and high depending on what you see in your this thing. And you see every detail here: euro, US dollar, spread 41, everything is written here. Now if I want to add more currency and I said I want to trade gold, or you say no, gold is the XUD, XAU euro, this gold, and other XAU US dollar also. This one is also gold. Now if you want to add more currency here, what do you do? When you click on this little up and down arrow on your mobile phone, then it's going to show you some few currencies, and assume you want to trade a cryptocurrency and you didn't see it here instead. See this plus sign on top of here. You click this plus sign, then search for crypto. You have crypto 1, you have crypto. When I click on this crypto, it's going to show me BTC to euro, Bitcoin to US dollar. If I don't want it, I have to go to the small icon at the left hand side and click back and come to cryptocurrency 1. You see dash and BTC. Say okay, I want to trade this dash and BTC. When I click on it once, it's going to add up in the currency I've always listed for me for trading. So when I click on it now, it's already added. How do I know it's already added? You come back to this up and down arrow here on your mobile, click on it, then search for that dash BTC. See this dash BTC I just added? It's already shown here. So if I click on it and say I want to trade this dash BTC and click on it, it's going to change. It's going to come into this background and show you the chart. And how will you know which dash coin and BTC? You see the icon here and it's 1 minute chart. Okay, that aside, the second icon below excuse me excuse me, sorry about that. The second icon below is the message box. As soon as you log in, you get a message. The third one is the news. The news, you can click and read news, and click on it. The news will show up here, allow you to load. After loading, you can go through the news and so on and so forth. So that's it. This is the news. Then let me go back to the chart. Yes, this is the fifth one is charts. When you log in, you can chat with top brokers and professionals. Then settings, you can read through all these things and highlight and check all the boxes here. Is good, and click done. Then the last one is this. But in your mobile phone, I'm using this laptop emulator as a mobile stuff. So in your laptop, in your phone, mobile smartphone, you will see something like chart and so on and so forth. I'll find a way and show you guys chart here. So I'll find a way and show you guys chart. Then I think I've covered this left hand side of this mobile MT4 mobile app. So you see charts, maybe you see charts and all of that stuff here. So try and access it, try and play around with it, you understand it. Now aside that, when you scroll, when you come down to this terminal, in the MT4 I showed you guys it's a terminal. When you come down to this terminal, you see trade. On this trade you see your balance and all that stuff. When you after placing a trade and you lose and win and you close profit, take profit, I want to see the history of the trade, you click history here. It's going to show you the history of your trade. Then the journal is just the write-up and one other stuff, and how you log into your chart and all the stuff you clicked and so on and so forth. So you trade, come back here. Then let's come up, let's go back to trade and let's bring it down. Yeah, I think I've covered a little thing about here. Then back to chart, back to trading pairs. All right, then this edit button here, this is edit button. If you want to remove most of the currencies here like GPP, click on it and do one or two things with it. I think it's not working because the market is closed. All right, then on the right hand side, if you want to place a trade, if you don't want to use this icon here and you want to change, and if you want to, okay, let me say, if you don't want to use trade Euro USD, it's changed to Euro USD, fine, good. Then if you don't want to use it here, what do you do? So if you don't want to use it here, what do? You come to this currency here and click on it and choose any currency. Let me say I want to trade Euro Japanese pounds. You click on it, it's going to change here. It's going to load for you here for you to trade on your mobile platform. This is not MT4 laptop, this is mobile. Okay, that aside, how will you know it shows here Euro GPP and the chart is 1 minute? So what do I mean by 1 minute? 1 minute is each candlestick here is 1 minute. It expires in 1 minute. Each candlestick expires in 1 minute. You can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and so on and so forth. So I think I've covered that. Then if you want to change the time frame, I want to go for 5 minutes. You come to the center or any middle of your chart, click on it. It's going to show you something like this. So you choose this 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, day trade, week trade, and month trade. Then concerning the chart I'm talking about, which you may see at the left hand side of your phone, of your smartphone, after installing the MT4. Let me see if this is working. Okay, yeah, I think this is it in this emulator. So you see alligator, you see indicator, alligator indicator, you see moving average. All these in a chart, relative index strength, all these these things you see are chart. So add, sure, you click this add button here, F1. If I want to add another indicator, I'll add. If I want to remove indicator, let me see if I can remove this indicator here. I think I can't set as default. No. Edit. I can't remove this indicator. The link is already there, but you can do that on your mobile phone because this is an emulator I'm using to teach you guys this. Okay, you can see a lot of indicators here and oscillators, Bill Williams. You know, you all know about Bill Williams. So all the stuff. Then coming down here, you see indicator window. Click on it. You can add indicator window. It's something I showed you up there. So I think, but in your mobile phone, if you see something like chart here, when you click on it, you see all this stuff I'm showing you at the left hand side here. Chimoku, Kingo High, Kingo Hoi, indicator, and all those stuff here. Okay, I think I've done that. Then when you click on this middle place, you choose your time frame, because each time frame represents each candlestick. So if you take 1 minute, each candlestick expires in 1 minute and changes to another one. 5 minutes, something. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, each candlestick expires in 4 hours, and the chart is going to change for you. All right, so if you're a good trade, if you are trading in 5 minutes, you use 5 minutes. If you are trading in 15 minutes, you do that. If you are trading in 30 minutes, you do that. If you are trading in 1 hour, you do that. If you are trading in 4 hours, if you are doing a day trade and you're sure of what you have analyzed in the market for you to trade, cool. You do the day trade, do the week trade, the month trade, depending on your analysis and where you get your analysis. Okay, so what you see down here is what we call this is an indicator, RSI indicator. So we'll still talk about this. We'll still talk about indicators when I started talking about indicators that I've listed in the Telegram group. All right. So then, how do you place a trade in the MT4 mobile? You see this plus sign at the right top of your mobile phone. So when you click this plus sign here, it's going to show you how to place a trade. So you have the lot size. All these things you see here is lot size. All of them are lot size. The left hand side is that stop loss. The green line here is take profit. It's either you buy or you sell. So let's say I want to buy. The market is closed today though. So if I buy, excuse me, if I want to buy, I buy. If I want to sell, I sell. So if I buy and I want to close the trade, I have to the market is closed. So it's just market is closed. Like that's why it showed me this stuff here. So if I want to buy, I buy. Then if I want to close it, if I want to close a market, I have to come down here, because when I place a trade, when I scroll down here, it's going to show me the trade I placed here along this side. See, it show me the trade I placed, because the symbol is here, order, time, table, all those stuff. It's going to show me everything here. When I double click on the trade or the pair I placed trade on, I have to click close trade. So I think you guys need to practice that on your own. You place a trade, when the trade is going and you see you are taking profit here, plus, not minus, plus, you double click or you click once, touch your hand on the pairs you are trading on. It's going to show up a new window for you. You click close trade, take profit, and just close trade and take a profit. That's all. So I think I've covered little things about this MT4 mobile app. This button here, plus sign, just to place a trade. For you to add a lot size, you can click plus. You can click plus, or you can click plus. You're gonna add +2, minus. You're gonna add +1. You're gonna add minus this or minus this. You're gonna come back to the lowest micro lot size. I have mini, micro, and other lot size. This is a micro lot size also, or mini. I don't know. Yeah, mini. Sorry, mini. Micro lot size. Sorry. Don't want to get you guys confused. So I think I've covered so much about this MT4 mobile, and I think you explore more on your own and understand it yourself. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is indicators and how to use indicators. Few ways I know how to use indicators. You can make research online and find more, because there are a lot of people around the world teaches it. So I'll tell you what I know about indicators and charts and how to use it to place a trade and so on and so forth. So thank you guys. God bless you. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and help me subscribe and give me thumbs up if I'm trying. All right. Thank you. God bless you. This is Prince Swift signing off. Remain blessed.